I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your account with Rogers, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the process, make sure you have all necessary information handy, such as your account number, personal identification, and any passwords. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Rogers customer service at their official number or use the live chat feature on their website. Explain that you want to close your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include providing your address, recent bill amounts, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. A quick tip: have a recent bill on hand to make this step easier. Step 4. Request account closure. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Get confirmation. After your request is processed, ask for a confirmation email or reference number for your records. This ensures you have proof of the account closure. Closing your account can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you navigate the process easily. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again. Good luck!